So we have if and else, which is nice. It's not really as robust as we want it to be, though, because what if somebody enters banana or something like that? What do we do? So if, elif, and else is a block of code that allows us to test for multiple different conditions. So if the first thing is true, then it's going to print this. If it's not true, it will go to the next thing, which is an elif. Elif is different than if because elif always belongs with an if. Every if does not have to have an elif, but every elif has to have an if that it belongs to. And if this is not true, it will go to the first elif and it will look, there's an expression here, not like else. Else does not have an expression. Else just says, if nothing so far has been true, then finally do this. Elif says that above thing isn't true, but how about this? Is this true? And you can have as many elifs as you want. You can say, oh, that's not true. How about this? How about this? How about that? You can keep asking other conditions, and then you can finally have an else. You can also have an if, elif, and no else. So if you're saying we're either going to do this or do nothing and carry on with the program, that's when you would leave the else off. So lots and lots of options there. But the way I might use this here is, what if I say this equals no, and then anything else other than yes or no, I give them a message that says something like, sorry, I didn't understand that. Okay. So now, if I rerun this, obviously it works with yes. It works with no. And if I type banana, then it says I didn't understand that. So now, using if, elif, and else, I can make a more intelligent program that responds more appropriately and in more interesting ways to user behavior.